Now, guys, let me start by welcoming my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, if you're watching and haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so now. So I prepare my goat meat by washing it with the lime and vinegar and then wash it with hot water. I then add to that my favorite rubs and season and spices, guys, and allow to marinate for about 2 hours.
What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen.
Alright guys, welcome back. So after 2 hours, I'm going straight into my pressure pot. I've had about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm gonna add to that my well-seasoned marinated
Goat meat. Now, guys, I'm just gonna allow this to fry off for about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna cover it down and let the natural juices fry off.
Just about 10 minutes later, guys, I'm gonna add to that some vegetable stock. I am gonna cover this down nice and good and allow to pressure for 20 minutes. I want to tell somebody today never to trust your emotions. They can be unstable and unpredictable. Our emotions cause us to be afraid. But Isaiah 12 verse 2 tells us that God is our salvation. You must put your trust in him and never to be afraid because he is the source of your strength. It's time for a birthday and anniversary celebration. Congratulations to Shannon, Janet, Melly, Kamisha, and Naika, who celebrated their birthday this week. Know that Wim sees, loves, and appreciates you.
All right, family and friends, so we jump right back into the kitchen. So I will release the pressure from the pot, guys, and then open for you to see what the goat meat looks like. Boy, people, if only you could smell all this divine smell in the kitchen. The meat is tender, and guys, I move straight to preparing the vegetables. So in a frying pan, I've added some carrots, some assortment of onion, guys, some bell peppers. I'm gonna add to that, guys, some scotch bonnet peppers, some tomatoes, guys, and then I'm going to add to that my butter bean. I'm gonna stir this in so that my butter bean is flavored, guys, and then of course, I will add to that some of the sauce from the goat meat. Now, as you know, guys, we in the Caribbean, we like to season our meat nicely. So I'm going to add it to my butter bean, some dry herbs and spices. Guys, I'm just going to allow this to cook in nicely. So I'm going to cover it down, add a little bit of cornstarch to thicken my sauce. And guys, just look at this. I'm just going to nice this up, people, with some rosemary. I'm going to add some cilantro, some parsley, and just a little tubes of butter, guys, just for flavor. You don't have to add this if you don't want to. Guys, I'm going to pour this all over my goat meat, guys. Allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. And boy, just look at this. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, guys. And I'll see you next week. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you. I'll see you next week. Remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. I would love to hear from you, so leave your comment in the comment section. Turn on your post notification, hit that like button, and of course, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. I'll see you next week, guys.